Dawud Islam is publisher. Maktabatul Madina's published renowned booklet of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, a brief biography of Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, consisting of 16 pages, states on page 14 the sad demise. Ala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 25th of Safarul Muzaffar 1340 Hijri, that is 1921, on Friday at 2:38 p.m. according to Indian Standard Times, at 2:08 p.m. according to PST. As soon as the Muazzin uttered Hayya ala al-Falah, Ala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi's life departed. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Even today, his blessed shrine is the focal point for visitors in Bareilly Sharif.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।